Here is something strange about the chatbot you talk to every day. It does not remember you, not even a little. You can chat with it for a whole hour, ask it 100 questions, and the moment your last word lands, it forgets every bit of it. Gone. So then how does it keep up? How does it answer you like it was carefully listening the entire time? That is the little mystery we're going to crack open today, step by step. Picture a friend with the worst memory in the world. Every few seconds, their mind wipes itself totally clean. You tell them, "My name is Sam," blink, gone. You show them a photo, blink, gone. You could never really chat with a friend like that, right? It would be impossible. And yet, that is almost exactly what is going on inside the AI. Every single time it replies to you, it is meeting you brand new for the very first time. No past, no history. So here's the trick that quietly saves the whole thing. Every time you press send, the app hands the AI the entire chat again. Your first message, its first answer. Your second message. Everything, all the way down to the words you just typed. The AI reads the whole story from the very top, and only then writes its next line. So it is not really remembering anything. It is rereading. Every time, from the start. That one idea is the key to all of this. Think of it like writing a book where you are only allowed to add one sentence at a time. But there is a rule. Before you write each new sentence, you have to read the entire book from page 1. Sentence 2? Read page 1 first. Sentence 100? You read all 99 pages before you can add it. Every single time. It sounds slow, and it is. But it also means the story never falls apart, because the writer just finished reading all of it a second ago. But simply reading it all is not enough. The AI still has to figure out which words actually matter right now. Say you asked, "What's the capital of the country I mentioned earlier?" It has to glance back through the chat and find that country. That looking back, that weighing of which older words connect to what you just said. The AI does that for every word, all at the same time. It's like your eyes darting back to the one line that matters. That constant weighing is the real engine humming underneath it all. Now, the catch. That whole story the AI rereads. It has to fit on a board of a fixed size. A big board, sure, but it has edges. And once it fills all the way up, something has to give. So the oldest lines get wiped off to make room for the new ones coming in. This board even has a name, the context window. And this is the reason that, in a really long conversation, the AI can suddenly forget a thing you told it way back at the very beginning. So that slightly spooky moment, when the AI loses track of your name after a long back and forth, it is not broken. It is not tired. It is not ignoring you. Your name simply scrolled off the edge of the board. It got wiped to make space for everything newer. That's all. And once you see it that way, the AI's little memory slips stop feeling random or creepy. They are just the edge of the whiteboard, quietly doing exactly what it was built to do. But hang on. If it rereads the whole chat every single time, wouldn't that get painfully, unusably slow? It really would. So there is a clever shortcut hiding inside. Instead of redoing all its thinking about the old words from scratch, the AI keeps a little scratch pad of the work it already finished on them. A new word arrives? It only does the fresh thinking for that one new word and just reuses everything else it saved. That saved scratch pad is the reason your replies feel like they arrive almost instantly. Still, the board has edges, and the second a chat ends, that scratch pad gets thrown away completely. So how do the newer assistants seem to remember you across whole days, even weeks? They cheat. In a good way. They keep a separate little notebook outside the AI. Small facts get jotted in it. Your name, how you like your answers, what project you're working on. And then, before the AI reads your chat, those notes get quietly pasted onto the board, so it looks and feels like it truly remembered you. So, does ChatGPT actually remember your conversation? Truly, honestly, no. It forgets everything, every time you speak. What feels like memory is really just 3 simple moves working together. Hand it the whole chat, let it weigh which words matter most, and keep the recent stuff on a board that has edges. Every ounce of that "it remembers me" feeling is really just very, very fast rereading. And once you can see the plain little whiteboard sitting behind the magic, you will never look at a chatbot the same way again.